All right, so this is a summary for trading in day 412 on Wednesday. I had a doctor's appointment, so I wasn't able to be here all day, but basically traded in the morning and then traded early morning and then before noon and then a little bit of the afternoon. So, yeah, you can see we started the day off a little bit green. Then we had one losing trade followed by a break even trade, actually two break even trades, and then we had another loss, and we had a win, and then we had another loss. So we at one point we were down $3,200, not great at all. Then we made it back in, yeah, we had one really good trade. Where I think it was, yeah, it was just after the news broke. We got a really nice long entry. Got got back into green. Got another winning trade and another winning trade. We were at a peak of 3,000. Around 3,800. Was it exactly 4,000 profit? $4,003 profit. Then we had a losing trade here, followed by a break even, a small loss, small win, small loss, another loss. And then this was the afternoon session here where we made some back and had a couple of trades at the end were just basically break even. So for the day, we ended the day in $3,224 in profit among all accounts. Just kind of overall summary. This morning had a couple bad trades, kind of on the brink of a revenge trade, and not really having clarity on my entries. Definitely wasn't happy with some of the trades in the morning here. Kind of made up for it on that one big trade. It, was going really well here. Then we just gave some of it back. Kind of a frustrating mid-afternoon. Then, at 3 o'clock, I came back and took a couple trades. Had a couple losses right away, and at one point I was actually in the red again. I had a really bad entry on a trade, not being patient enough. Was kind of chasing the price, thinking that we're gonna sell off really hard, and we ended up bouncing a little bit. Didn't hit my stop loss, um, and actually reversed again, and I was able to take a small profit. Then we had one really good trade in that session, followed by basically two break even trades. So I definitely felt myself trying to do a little bit too much. Um, so I this is the part where it really helps streaming. I feel like if I wouldn't have been streaming, I would have taken more trades and been more risky. So I definitely feel like this doing the trading live is doing what I wanted to do. So I'm happy with that. We took one trade. Most of all of these trades were on basically I'm doing 8 evaluation accounts that I'm using the copy trader on. Most of them was that. And we ended the day basically $450 in profit on each one of those 8 accounts. You can see here our balance on 4 of them is 3 of them is, we're basically at 50,880, and then we're at 50,000, 1,500 approximately on the rest. So on five of these eval accounts, we're basically halfway there, and then we have 3 that are kind of lagging. So overall, then we took one trade on our funded accounts here. You can see it was a loss. I had the right idea. It was the right, and it just hit my stop loss. And then it went the direction that I was looking for it to go. Um, just a little bit too early of an entry, I guess, but I'm okay with taking that trade. Obviously a loss, but some trades will lose. Can't win all of them. So not that disappointed with the funded account trading that. So that's the summary. This is the summary for today. Now I'm just going to go back, or I'm going to go to the summary for today. So total profit $3,224.20. We took 225 trades. Obviously, we're linking 8 accounts and we're trading 2 contracts. So that's why that seems really extreme. But, you know, linking 8 accounts, our commissions total was almost $900 for the day. So it's definitely something to keep in mind. I felt like I definitely took too many trades today. I was a little anxious. Didn't allow some of the trades to actually work and give them room. I took profits too early. Just I was afraid of, I was afraid of it hitting my stop loss. So I need, I need to have it move and give it room to move. So there's times I do take my stop loss, but I have to be careful with that. So we had a 54% win rate today, not that great. Average winning trade was $91. Average losing trade was $78. So now we're going to switch to just do the summary of basically since we started doing this challenge, which is this week. This is now the 3rd day that we're doing this challenge. So see where we're at overall. Overall, we're at $9,664 profit. We have a 60% win rate, 533 trades, 1.54 profit factor. Average winning trade $86. Average losing trade $83. Yeah, this is the analysis of it. So basically, started off green. A lot of ups and downs. Like to get, you're going to have these ebbs and flows, and obviously as time goes on, that's going to not look quite as dramatic, but you're going to kind of have this with linking 8 accounts together, 8 accounts, and you have a $200 stop loss and it gets hit, that's $1,600. So kind of get this, but it is what it is. All right, that's the summary for April 12th. And thanks for tuning in. Check back in tomorrow.